What do you think you got on? I'll take the net, Gabe.
A slimer.
Oh, you got a slimer too? I'll net him for you. Oh, he's got weeds on him. Oh, why do they all do that?
Slimer, shush! I know it's a slimer.
What if it's a walleye? Oh, it's a northern.
Ooh, he's got some fangs.
A slimer.
It's a slimer.
Get the net.
Another one? That isn't a slimer, that's a walleye.
Get the net.
Give me the line.
Oh, let's go.
High fives all around. Hey, high five.
I had a feeling we were going to get one.
Oh, he's busy putting it on the stringer.